So quick tip, after getting a tummy tuck, everything hurts. It hurts to cough. So get yourself a towel, roll it up. I have like this head pillow that I use or neck pillow that I use when I travel. It's been very helpful. I use it when I go to sleep and I use it when I need a brace. So what I do is I take it, I hug it, fuck, and I take a few breaths, and you have to make it worth it. And I have like congestion in my chest from having the tube. Yeah, I know, Nala, it's gonna hurt. Oh man. Whew. So much to do. That one wasn't as bad. I've had worse ones. I think my abs are getting stronger. But that's a quick tip. If you need to cough, brace yourself, push against the pillow, and let a big one out. Make it worth it.